Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you a quick look at my brand new nail gel in shade Stardust. So if you want to see how this gel looks in action, stay tuned. So I love all things Milky White. So of course I had to come out with my own custom Milky White nail gel. And so I love this product because if you're looking for something a little bit more on the natural side, this product is for you. So you essentially apply 2 to 3 coats and of course cure in the UV light in between each coat, and then when you're done, just apply your favorite gel top coat. So if you would like to purchase this product, I will have the link in the description box down below.